Okay, so today I thought I would do a little gear review. I recently got a plate carrier. It's a Spartan Armor Sentinel in multicam. I think it was like 350 with free shipping or something for Midway USA. Uh, it's just kind of an entry level plate carrier with AR550 armor, and I also got trauma pads too. But anyway, I thought I'd just give you a quick rundown of my loadout. It's not really so much as a review, I guess. It's just like how I like to have my kit set up. I'm sure yours will be different. Everyone is. So anyway, starting on the back, I guess I have my Camelback. And then I have a seatbelt cutter, just because if you're upside down in a vehicle with a plate carrier on, it might be kind of hard to get out of a seatbelt. I don't know why I would ever find myself there, but I mean, then again, can any of us really justify having a plate carrier most of the time? Over here, I've got this fucking, what seems to be just this absurdly huge knife. It kind of is. That's not because I'm trying to get a Call of Duty style knife kill. That's because it's kind of a good survival tool to have around, and it's very useful for more than just trying to fucking stab people and shit. Um, Tourniquet, 6 mag pouch up front from Blackhawk, some sort of off-brand Condor eBay-esque IFAK, and an IFAK insert, and another tourniquet. And then I've got a couple extra pistol mags. Again, this is a Condor. It's kind of like cheap Amazon, eBay. Some people call it like airsoft quality, and I'm not like a geardo or a gear expert, but I don't think it's that bad. I mean, it's made of real Cordura fabric. I think 600 denier or 800 denier or something. And it's not like I'm going to be doing tactical swan dives onto concrete all the time, tearing pouches up. Gerber, because that's pretty handy almost all the time for anything. And over here, I kind of have what I call an admin pouch. It's more like a PPE slash bullshit battery pouch. So gloves, glasses, blah blah blah. But yeah. So let me know. Love it, hate it. If I should kill myself, never go to YouTube again. Leave it in the comments below. And if you're lucky or I'm lucky, I'll see you next time.